one of the things that then comes up is, hey, I want to do the backdoor Roth IRA. And this is where I caution people. However, if you decide to roll over your money from a 401k into a rollover IRA, one thing you need to keep in mind though is that the backdoor Roth may not be applicable to your situation for the next few years. The reason being is the Pro-Rata rule. The Pro-Rata rule essentially states that whenever you convert money from a traditional IRA over to a Roth IRA, you have to prorate what is pre-tax versus post-tax on your conversion. So an example of this, let's say you have $4,000 in a 401k that you then rolled over to a rollover IRA. That is $4,000 of pre-tax money. And let's just say this year you want to do the backdoor Roth IRA, but you only do $6,000. So now you have $6,000 of non-deductible contributions. So you have $4,000 of pre-tax and $6,000 of post-tax. Whenever you convert that full $6,000 over, you will have to prorate the 40% of pre-tax compared to the 60% of post-tax. So on your $6,000 conversion, 40% of that will be considered taxable income. Be very mindful of this if you are rolling over money from a 401k over to a traditional IRA, because all of that money is going to be pre-tax money and it could really mess up your pro-rata rule.